Hello! Today we are going to be reviewing the Medicube HR Booster Pro. I got it on Shopee during the 4/4 sale. I've been considering this for a while already, and then when I saw that they had the lavender color, I really wanted it. I think it was $2.99 or something, and then there was like a $44 off voucher. So let's unbox it! I can't wait to try it. It also comes with the cap. Apparently this lavender one is exclusive to Korea, but I guess nothing's ever exclusive anywhere. People will always find a way to get their hands on it. But ta-da! Oh my god, it's so pretty! I just turned it on.
Booster mode, level 1.
There are 4 modes on this device. It's booster mode, MC mode, which I think is microcurrent mode, derma shot mode, as well as air shot mode. It says use 1 to 3 times a day for booster mode, MC mode, and derma shot mode. And then if you're gonna use air shot mode, you should only use it 2 to 3 times a week. And if you want to use the modes consecutively, you have to use them in the air shot mode, and then booster mode, and then MC mode, and then derma shot mode. I'm gonna try all 4 of that modes consecutively today. And after selecting the mode, you can use the power button to choose the level you want. There are 5 levels in total, and they also say that if you're using it for the first time, to start from level 1 and then gradually increase the level. You can also connect it to the HR app on your phone, which I don't have, so let's just do it without the app first, and then maybe tomorrow we'll try again while using the app. So we are going to start with the air shot mode first. It says to brush against your dry skin 2 to 3 times a week, 5 minutes per use, and you're supposed to use it by sweeping the device head from inside to outside. And this is how my skin looks like. I've got like freckles and some, not sure what spots they are. These are pimple marks. And then here, very uneven skin tone and more pimple marks here. Oh my god, actually my skin looks damn terrible. And then I've got like lots of fine lines on my forehead and very deep smile lines here. I don't know if this device can help with that. And my skin type is super dry that it is oily, especially on my T-zone.
Air shot mode, level 1.
Now how do I get it to start? Oh, just straight away? Oh, just straight away. So just now I was worried, right? Like when you have this device on your face, how are you going to even know how much time has passed? But the device actually tells you. So it told me just now that 1 minute has passed. With the announcement, you can sort of do like 1 minute per area of my face. At certain areas of my face, I do feel like an electric shock or zap kind of thing. Ah, there we go, the announcement. I've just finished using the air shot mode, and now we are going to do the booster mode. You can use this 1 to 3 times a day and 5 to 10 minutes per use. You should use it after applying skincare and set it to level 1 when using it for the first time. Roll it on the skin in a circular motion from inside to the outside. And when used with a high performance serum, the booster mode can enhance the effects. I'm just gonna use the Torridon Dive In Serum. For this one, I can feel a bit more like prickly feeling. 2 minutes have already passed and I already feel like all the serum has been absorbed because it's like very tuggy on my skin now. So I think I'm going to add like a little bit more. And it auto pauses when you lift the device off your face. Okay, I'm gonna continue. Now we're done with the booster mode. The next mode will be MC mode. This one is also 1 to 3 times a day in an upward motion. Also 5 to 10 minutes per use, and you use it after applying skincare by pulling upward from the inside to the outside. And when used with a cream, the MC mode enhances skin volume. And I've decided that I'm going to do it 1 minute per section so that the product doesn't dry out before the device even gets to it. Moisturizer I'm using now is Round Lab. I think it's quite nice. I just started using this and I really feel like my skin looks better, but the only thing I don't like about it is that it's in a tub, and then I have long nails now, so it's really irritating. Let me just do like in sections. Oh my god, this feels terrible. Especially near my eyes, I really can feel my eyes twitching. I cannot open my eyes when it's there.
1 minute passed.
Actually, this is really boring. I didn't think you would have to do each mode for 5 minutes. I plan to try this for 30 days and then report back on my skin's condition. They also have a schedule that you can follow. I will see if I can follow that schedule for 1 entire month and then report back on the results of this device. Okay, I'm done with the microcurrent mode and now we are at derma shot mode. Also use 1 to 3 times daily, but this time you pause 1 to 2 seconds on the desired area, and it's also 5 to 10 minutes per use, and then slowly draw a circle or massage outwards to relax your muscles. And then it says when you use with a cream, the derma shot mode will boost your skin's elasticity. And I don't have a different cream to use, so I'm just gonna use the same one again. Oh, this one's like pulses. Oh, it's so strange. When it's pulsing here, I can feel it at this part of my face. Oh my god.
1 minute passed.
Since it says that it will improve skin elasticity, I might try it on my neck as well because I'm very conscious about my neck wrinkles. Okay, so I just completed 5 minutes of the derma shot mode, but I'm also gonna do it on my neck now just to see if it will help these wrinkles here. They're so deep. Oh my god. Oh, I feel it a lot. Okay, I don't like this. I don't like this. I'm just done with all 4 modes on the HR Booster Pro, and right off the bat I don't think there are any significant changes other than my skin looks quite glowy, but it might also be because of the moisturizer. So on their website they also have a schedule that you can follow. I will probably follow this schedule that they have provided for 1 month, and then I will check back in after 1 month to see if my skin has improved. See you in 30 days. I know I said I'll check back in 30 days, but this is my face the next morning. I think I got like a few new spots overnight. So far, I feel like my skin is looking plumper. But anyway, I decided to film this morning again because I wanted to show the app. The app is pretty cool. Looks like this. So they've given me a 2-week plan, and they will tell you like, oh, today is the day to use Booster Pro. So yesterday is you use everything, and then today you just use the Booster Pro. So I'm gonna follow this schedule, and then they will tell you your achievement rate, and you can also follow all of the tutorials here. And then yeah, over here you can do photos. So I just did like a before, and then I'll do an after. Good morning. Don't mind the messy hair and disheveled look. I literally just woke up. But this is like my 1 month update of using the Medicube Booster Pro. I have used it pretty religiously every single day except for 1 day because I was really very tired, so I skipped. This is what my skin looks like. Honestly, I feel like my freckles got a little bit lighter. It's not so obvious now, and then like this mark is still here, no change. The wrinkles on my forehead is like a little bit less than before. But generally, I feel like my skin really did absorb the products better because my skin is not as oily throughout the day. So when I apply makeup, it lasts quite a lot longer than usual before it starts getting like super oily. And then my necklines are, I think my necklines have reduced. In the previous clip, I think it was so obvious. So I think this has gotten better. So on to how I used it and the pros and cons. After that first day I used it, I downloaded the app. Then I followed the routine that they set out. I can't see the routine that they recommended on the first week. So this is the one I created after the first 2 weeks. And it's quite fun because you can go into the calendar and then check off after you've used it for like the certain amount of time. It's supposed to sync and then check off on its own, but it didn't work all the time, so I always had to go into the app to check it off. On the first week, I think I did everything on level 1, and then by the second week I could proceed to level 2 for some of the functions like booster mode, the microcurrent mode as well as the derma shot mode, but for the air shot mode I was still on level 1. But now after 4 weeks of usage, I am on level 3 for booster, level 3 for microcurrent, level 2 for air shot, and then for the derma shot mode I use level 3 on my face, and then level 5 for the muscles here at my jaw as well as at my eyebrows. So the muscles that work the most, I use like a higher level to help the muscles to relax. I think it has been helping. I feel like my face is smaller, and then like the muscles here is not as obvious, like because I frown a lot at my students during ballet class. So onto the pros, right? Obviously it's very pretty. It's like this lovely lavender shade, and then it comes with a travel cap as well, so it's quite clean. Oh, and to clean this, I just put some hand sanitizer on like a cotton pad, and then I just wipe the top after every use. I feel like it does help my skincare to absorb better. Sometimes I will put a serum on and then I do it halfway and I feel like, oh, the serum is gone, so I put a little bit more. But I don't know if like my skin has improved simply because I'm also using more products to help the device glide on my skin quite smoothly. But I do feel like my skincare is no longer just sitting at the top of my skin. Other than the new breakouts that I've had, I feel like my skin is softer and is smoother, and then as I've mentioned earlier as well, my freckles have reduced. I think the battery life is quite good also. I only need to charge it about once a week, but it does take quite a while to charge from like 1 bar to full though. I think it takes about 3 to 4 hours. And then the cons is that it is not the most comfortable at the start. Honestly, when I first started using it, it was quite uncomfortable. When I use it on my cheek here, there is this unbearable twitch under my eye, and then also only on the left side of my face. When I use it around my cheek, maybe near my teeth actually ache, so it's very weird. And then you'll find a lot of weird sensations. When I bring it close to my forehead, I can feel my scalp twitching as well. In the very first video where I used it for the first time, it was super uncomfortable at my neck area. In fact, for some of the functions, even though I'm level 3 on my face, I'm still level 2 on my neck area because the twitching is super uncomfortable. And then I'm not a huge fan of where the buttons are placed also, because you hold it like this, right? And then sometimes my thumb is just here, and then I'll be like happily watching Netflix or something and doing my skincare, and I'll accidentally press on this mode button. When I press on this mode button, the mode changes because it tells you, right, how long it's been going for. So every minute I will change to a different spot, and then that whole timing is just gone. Then I have to, oh shit, how long did I do it for just now? And then I have to like think about it. So I don't know where else could the buttons be placed. Maybe over here. Maybe if the buttons were here at the side, it will be better, because then this area is free of anything. I would say that this device is not super easy to use, because it's not like you can just pick it up and then use it. You actually have to go and watch the video tutorials that they have on the app or on the website to actually go and find out how to use it. So I think that in itself was a little bit time consuming. The app is a little more helpful. I tried on their website. The website is not very clear on how you should be using the device, whereas on the video tutorial they tell you like for each part of the face how you should go about moving the device. It's quite complicated, so I think like for different parts of the face it's different also, so there's a lot of things to remember, and I can't be like watching the videos every single time. The general motion I follow is, if it's air shot mode, I will just use the edge of the device, which is like the metal bit, and then I will add an angle in small strokes, move it like along my face, which I only found out on the second day after I watched the video, so I did it wrong the first day. And then for the booster pro mode, I will use it in circular motion all over my face. So for microcurrent mode, I will use it in like a sweeping motion outwards. So neck wrinkles, I'll go outwards, and then I'll go like upwards as well. For derma shot, same gliding motion, but I'll hold a little bit, hold a little bit, hold a little bit, and then move up. And then for the areas that I want to target, which is my masseters and my eyebrows, I will just hold it there for like a little bit longer, and then I'll just keep going at the same area. So would I recommend this? I would say yes, if you have time to spend on your skincare. If you are someone who already has no time to even have a skincare routine, then probably no, because if I were to use like all 4 functions, right, from start to finish, it will take me at least 20 to 25 minutes to do my skincare. But of course, you don't have to follow the schedule. If you really only have 2 minutes
to do it than 2 minutes it is. I must say the device is not like super cheap. It is 200 plus on Shopee, like high 200s. Maybe if there's a sale, slightly less than 250. So yeah, it's not a cheap device, so it is quite an investment, and it's also not a device where you see results like overnight. So you have to be consistent with it in order to see some changes. I mean, when I go out, also nobody say, oh, you suddenly very pretty today. So it's really very minute differences. So if you have time, then yeah, maybe you would like to try this device out and you don't mind learning how to use a new device. And yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Alright, bye! Oops.